Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class of digestive system. Okay, so we have discussed about mouth, right? In mouth, what all structures are that we have discussed already. So we are going to discuss about now the remaining parts, right? In this, if we see, there is a part called esophagus, right? The esophagus is a, you know that it's a long tube, right? It's a long tube which connects mouth to mouth, right? Which connects mouth to the stomach, right? You can just look at here. There's a mouth, and see then what we have is a large tube, right? Esophagus, which is also called as food pipe, right? So that the food pipe, what it does is whatever whatever we take the food, and then after chewing and grinding, it enters into the esophagus, right? It goes to the esophagus, and through esophagus it reaches to the stomach. Okay, through esophagus it reaches to the stomach, right? இதோட ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்து ஜஸ்ட் இது கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறது, அவ்வளோதான். இது கேரி பண்ணிட்டு போகும். ஃபுட்டு நம்ம என்ன எடுக்கிறோமோ, வாயில் என்ன இருக்குதோ அது வந்து தட் கோஸ் டு தி ஸ்டமக், ரைட்? ஸோ ஸ்டமக் இஸ் அ பேக் லைக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர். யூ கேன் சே the stomach. How is the stomach? Stomach is like this, right? So stomach is a bag like structure. So bag like structure. So again I am repeating it. The stomach connects to the mouth through the esophagus. Okay, so in the stomach what happens, there will be the digestion. The food what we are eating, no, the digestion takes place in the stomach, right? What is digestion? Digestion we have discussed, right? Already we have seen what is digestion. Okay, the process of breaking down the complex food materials into small food particles, that is called as digestion. Okay, so that digestion takes place in the stomach, right? So stomach, how it takes place? With the help of stomach juice, right? That is also called as digestive juice. The digestive juice is also known as gastric juice. Okay, GASTRIC, gastric juice, JUICE, right? So with help of this gastric juice, the digestion takes place in the stomach. Okay, that is the main function of your stomach. So the digestion which takes place in the stomach. So after that, right, where the food goes, now see, digestion has taken place, absorption has not taken place, right? So after that what we have is the small intestine and then large intestine, right? So small intestine, if you see here, it is 7 meter in length. So how is the small intestine? So small intestine is like this. Okay, this is the small intestine. Small intestine is like this, which is 7 meter in length. Okay, 7 meter in length, right? So in the small intestine we have different juices, right? The juices are bile juice, pancreatic juice, and then intestinal juice. That means along with this intestinal, right, in the intestine we have a juice called intestinal juice. Along with this juice, this bile and then pancreatic, along with bile and then pancreatic, the absorption takes place in the small intestine. Absorption, I hope that I have explained already what is absorption, right? So absorption takes place in the small intestine along with the bile juice, pancreatic juice, and then intestinal juice, right? The function of small intestine is absorption. Okay, and then what we have is the other part is like flower like structure you can find, that is called as large intestine. This flower like structure is called as large intestine. It's of like 1.5 meter in length. 1.5 meter in length, right? The function of this large intestine is what it does. It holds the water, right? It holds the water, and also the food which is not digested, undigested food is held here. Okay, it stores the undigested food and also the water. That is a function of large intestine. Okay, and then last what we have is the anus. So anus is the end part of the anus you can call. The anus is the end part of your digestive system through which the excretion takes place, right? The excretion is also known as egestion. Fine, egestion. Egestion is called as excretion. That means the food, that after absorption and other thing, the food comes out through the anus. That is called as egestion. So all this process, how it is taking place from here, that mouth, esophagus, stomach and all, no, with the help of rhythmic contractions, right? Rhythmic contraction and relaxation. Contraction, because it has to contract to push the food down, right? That is called as peristaltic movement, right? Peristaltic movement. Peristaltic movement is called as, what is peristaltis? It is of like movement of the intestine. Movement of the intestine is called as peristaltic movement. Okay. So through this peristaltic movement, what happens? The food, I mean the digested and undigested food, whatever it is, that undigested, mainly undigested food that comes out through the anal canal or the anus, right? So that's how the digestive system works in our body. Okay, thank you.